Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am headed to CVS to finish up some deals for this week. This is my midweek CVS video for you guys. And I'm hoping I can share some new deals because I'm always excited when I can share new deals with you guys. Like, it's almost pointless for me to come back midweek for the same deals, but a lot of times I know that you guys don't always watch my Sunday video. So, and then I like to be able to come back and bring you guys some new deals as well. And so for this week, I do have some CRTs I'm going to stack with some deals to make it even sweeter. Now, I posted my numbers on my community tab or my community post yesterday for the first 3 months, January, February, and March of this year, you guys. Because as y'all know, I'm tracking my spending. And your girl had a retail of nearly $11,000, you guys. Like, would I know? Would I ever know? No. I would never ever know that the retail was that freaking high. I had $5,200 in coupons, which is why it's worth it for me to use coupons, because I think I had $400, which was a mix of supplies and coupons. Supplies being my ink. And so obviously it's worth it for me to buy coupons. And then my tax, y'all. And I know a lot of us don't really mention tax, but my tax was over $800, you guys, in tax. That was between CVS and Walmart. My tax at CVS is higher because I do a lot more transactions there. But $800 in tax, y'all. So for those of you who have couponing budgets, do you include tax or not? Because I feel like you have to. Because that's $800. If I wasn't including tax in my budget, my couponing budget, I wouldn't realize that your girl paid out an extra $800. So how much above my budget was that? So I was just running through my numbers last night and just kind of want to share that with you guys for those of you who, who are get curious as to how much we spend and stuff. And so, and yeah, and I do keep my receipts. A lot of you guys were saying, was it related to taxes? It does have to do with taxes. I'm not sure what our next tax year is going to be like, especially with the whole, $600 PayPal, whatever. From my understanding is we don't pay taxes on that. It does have to be reported as non-taxed or untaxed income. So we don't have to pay taxes on it, because in my head, I'm like, we already pay tax on it. So if we pay taxes on this stuff, it's like you're double taxing us. That's how I think of it. That's how I look at it. But I don't know for certain. I'm not a tax preparer person. And so, but I am keeping my receipts just in case. And if the government wants to say, Miss Shay, you're going to have to pay taxes on this, then I'm going to say, well, this is all my supplies and this is all my product that I bought. And here's all my receipts. And so, you never know. They might owe me. Who knows? But anyway, so if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. So without further ado, let's head over to CVS and see what kind of deals we can get.
All right, guys, so of course, the first deal that we're going to go over again, we did this deal on Sunday. This is a must-do, easy, newbie-friendly deal, you guys. It's on the fruities. They are 2 for $8. It's also buy 2, get back 2, limit of 1. So for this, we're grabbing 2. We're going to use a 3 off of 2 printable from coupons.com. We also have a digital as well that is glitching. That's going to bring that total down to you paying 2 and getting back 2, making this absolutely free. Okay, now the Hope Lens is the same deal, but it's a different promotion. They're also 2 for $8, buy 2, get back 2. And for this, we're grabbing 2 using the $3 off of 2 printable there. And this one is going to be glitching with the digital that's also 3 off of 2. And so I'm gonna grab all 4 on one transaction. The total was $16. We're gonna use a 3 off of 15 CRT right there. We're gonna use the 2 printables off of each of them, and then we're gonna be using the digitals as well. All right, so that'll bring the total down to you paying $1 out of pocket, and you're gonna get back 4, making this a $3 money maker. Now, really quick, a lot of you guys asked, is there a key to getting it to glitch? In my experience, what I normally do is I will scan the Hope Lens coupon first so that it will attach to the Hope Lens. I think when I do the fruities first, it attaches to the Hope Lens and it messes it up for me where the Hope Lens digital doesn't come off. So those are just my 2 tips. For starters, make sure they scan the coupons before they hit total. And second, make sure you scan the whole blend coupon before the fruities. So this next deal I'm going to be doing again is on my CoverGirl. It's buy 2 get back 5. I went ahead and ordered some IPs. I will pop up the person I got them from. But for those of you who ask, my Ip Fairies are always listed at the bottom of my description. My Ip Fairies as well as my insert fairy. They're all on Instagram. Alright, so we're going to grab 2 of these. We're going to grab the pencils down here. They are priced at $4.99. Alright, the total is going to come to $9.98. I'm going to use a $3 coupon from quickqs.store. I'm also going to use a 3 off of 10 CRT. And then we're going to use a $3 off of 1 digital as well. That's going to bring it down to you paying 98 cents out of pocket, but you'll get back 5, making this a $4.02 moneymaker. The last thing I'm going to be grabbing is going to be on the L'Oreal. Certain products are buy 1 get back 2. So I know that this one works here, the toner works, the cleanser here works, and I believe there's a few other items, yeah, right here that work as well. I've been grabbing the cheapest item, and so we're gonna grab it. It's priced at $7.29. We're gonna be using this $5 printable from coupons.com. I believe it's no longer available though. We do have 2 different digital coupons that you can use. One will attach, you'll pay $2.29, and then you'll get back the 2, which is then gonna make this only 29 cents. All right, so I'm back in the car. So this transaction was pretty perfect. There goes the fruities at the very top. There goes the whole blends, the CoverGirl, and the L'Oreal. And then all my coupons that I used today, they all scanned perfectly. $3 coupons off of the whole blends and the Garnier, $3 coupon off CoverGirl, and then we had digitals as well for those, and they all worked. And then I had the 3 off of 10 cosmetic and 3 off of 15 off the Garnier. I paid $4.27 subtotal, and I got back a total of $11 in extra care bucks. So basically ends up making this, these 4 deals right here ended up being a $6.73 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. And so I'm going to do another transaction exactly like this again, minus the 3 off of 10 cosmetic. And so, yeah. Alright, so here is another deal that I did with CoverGirl. I had a 4 off of 16 CRT, so I grabbed 2 pencils at $4.99, and then that double pack was $5.79, so the total was $15.77. Again, I had the 4 off 16 CRT. I used a $3 digital, and I stacked that with 2 paper coupons. I ended up paying $2.77 out of pocket, but I got back a $5 extra care buck, so it ended up being a $2.23 moneymaker. So on this transaction, I grabbed the fruities, the whole blends, as well as the L'Oreal again. All my coupons came off, all my digitals worked, which is really cool. I ended up rolling $6 in extra care bucks, and then I got back 5 for CoverGirl, and then 2 for L'Oreal and whole blends and fruities. Alright guys, so this next deal that we're going to do is on the Dove. I was hesitant whether or not I was going to do this deal because I did do it last week, and I think it was a moneymaker. But I figured why not? I do pretty good selling this Dove. So they are $5.99. They're buy 1 get 1 50% off. And then it's also buy 2 get back 3. So the first one is $5.99, the second one is $3. The total was $8.99. We do have coupons from our inserts for $2. Use 2 of those. The total is going to come down to $4.99 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back $3 in extra care bucks. So it'll bring it down to $1.99 for both of them, are only 98 cents each. This next deal is on Clairol. It's buy 2 get back 3. So for this, we're going to grab 2 of them. Now, I do have a 4 off of 16 CRT I'm going to use. I also have a 5 off of 2 printable from coupons.com. And then we also have a digital as well that is going to glitch. So you should end up paying $4.98 out of pocket, but you'll get back a 3. There's also a rebate on Shopkick for 100 kicks, I want to say, which is 40 cents. So it'll make it $1.58 for both of them, or only 79 cents each. And this is what this transaction looks like. There goes the Dove at the top, followed by the Nice and Easy. I used $2 coupons. I used a $5 off the Clairol. There goes our digital. There goes a 4 of 16. I paid $9.96 and then got back 6. So it nets it at about $1 a piece, which is not bad. Alright, so I'm going to try this spend 25 get back 8 deal. on household products, and so I'm hoping it works out right because I'm trying to just go based on what my store has and the prices. So first thing that I'm gonna grab is gonna be on the Mr. Clean Clean Freak, which is priced at $7.99 and it's buy one get one 50% off. So we're gonna grab this one here. The first one is gonna be $7.99, and then we're also gonna be grabbing the last magic eraser they have here, which is priced at $4.59, and that one's gonna ring up for $2.30. Now I do have a $3.25 off of 2 Mr. Clean digital that we're gonna use with that. The next thing that we're gonna grab is gonna be the Febreze, which is priced at $7.99. It's also buy one get one 50% off. So I'm gonna grab this one at $7.99, and then I'm also gonna be grabbing the plug up here, which is priced at $4.79. Now this one's gonna ring for $2.30. For the Febreze, we have a $2.30 digital, and then for the plug, we also have $2.30. And then the last item I'm gonna grab is gonna be the small spaces, which is priced at $4.29. That one will be full price. And then for that, we have a $2.30 digital there. So I'm hoping that before coupons, the total is $24.97. After all of our digitals, we should pay $14.82 and get back $8. So I'm gonna go check out and hope I get this right. All right, that did not work out as I planned. I forget the higher items are always gonna be, they pair them up no matter how you scan them. It pairs it up in the highest to lowest. So basically the Febreze spray was $7.99, the Mr. Clean was $7.99, so it took off half of the gain. Yeah, so one of my $2.30 digitals didn't come off though. The one that was on the spray didn't come off. So that shorted me because of the way that it rang up by like $1.65. I tacked on the CoverGirl and the L'Oreal with this transaction as well. So at least I made $1 from the CoverGirl towards it. But all my other coupons and digitals came off. There goes the L'Oreal, there goes the Mr. Clean, there goes the CoverGirl, the Febreze Small Space Febreze Plug, there goes my $3 CoverGirl coupon, and then I used $20 in extra care bucks, so I paid $21.73 out of pocket, and I didn't get back the $8. I just got back the $2 for L'Oreal and $5 for CoverGirl, so I am short by $165. So again, like I said, I'm probably just gonna grab one of the Gain Flings to finish off the deal. It'll be a little higher out of pocket than I wanted, but I figured since overall the Garnier is a $3 money maker, and I did that on all 3 situations today, so $3.69 will kind of help make up for it a little bit, so it won't be as bad. And so yeah, you live, you learn, and even when you think you've learned, you're still learning. All right guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys. It's Tuesday, and so I think I am done. And so everything worked out pretty good. Only thing was this deal here. I fumbled it completely. Totally fumbled it, but I grabbed the Gain Flings. It still makes each item like $166 each. So it didn't work out to be too bad. On top of that, I knew that we had money makers between the Whole Blends, Fructis, and the CoverGirl that it would still end up being, if anything, it would also end up being free. And so everything you see here retails $179.70. We had $137.85 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $41.85. And then we walk away with $54 in extra care bucks plus 40 cents on Shopkick for the hair dye. I didn't have any more rebates on there for the Dove deodorant. And so we get back a total of $54.40, making everything you see here free plus $12.55. So even though we kind of fumbled the ball here on this deal, it still ended up being a nice moneymaker, which is really cool. And I was kind of tempted to do the household deal again, but a lot of my stores are out of stuff, so it makes it hard to kind of put together a deal, you know, being able to use all of the digitals. But if I can, I may work that deal. I know that my store closest to home just got their truck today, so I may go back later today, maybe tomorrow even, and see if I can work, you know, the household deal with the lower out of pocket. And so other than that, what is your favorite deal this week at CVS? And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.